Question number 4. Jackie is asking, when making up kits for projects, for like a subscription box, would I include the thread as well? It does depend on how available different colors of thread are in the market. If it is a commodity and it is very easy for a creator to go to a store or to an online store and get any thread color that they need for a project, I would not add the thread to the box. The reason being, they can purchase it and it makes your box less cost intensive for you. So either you can charge a lower price to your clients, or you can have a better margin for yourself. And as well, the whole package will be smaller, lighter. You will also have savings in shipment. If you need a very special thread for the project, which is not easily available in the market, you will need to add it to the box. If the threads are kind of sometimes available and other times are not available, you may consider to add these threads as a separate product. At the moment that someone gets a creative box for a certain project, they also get the instruction to get XYZ thread in a certain amount from your store. So this would be another option that you could consider.